MS Teams, there's a couple of choices for viewing your participants. One, you can go to the option right here and click Show Participants. Once you click it, you can view all of the participants currently in your meeting. This also gives you the option to mute your participants. When you hover over their name, the three dots will show up. You can click, you can pin that participant. You can also make that participant a presenter, and that means that they can show their screen. This is also where you can go to remove that participant from the meeting. This is where you can also unmute them if you so choose. If you need to copy your meeting information to quickly send that to, say, a student, this is where you can go to also quickly copy your hyperlink to your current meeting, copy that, and you can paste that into an email and send that to your student right away. Using the participants menu in the meeting either makes your participants menu appear or disappear. The participants menu is what you saw earlier, and it allows you to view your participants, view their individual options such as presenting, muting, etc. The next option you have is to show your conversation, otherwise known as the chat. Not only in your conversation or chat can you view the current chat for your meeting, but you can also send information such as important delivery options. So you can mark a message such as important or urgent. If you mark something urgent, recipients will be notified every 2 minutes that it's urgent. You can attach a file. You can send an emoji. You can send a GIF. And you can send a sticker. As well, there are other extensions that you can add in to MS Teams. The raise your hand option is a great option to teach students to use. Instead of having them raise their hand visually in MS Teams, encourage them to use the raise your hand option so that you get the visual of seeing the hand on the screen and you know to call on them. By clicking the three dots, it gives you a lot more actions or options to choose from in MS Teams, including the settings for your personal device, meeting notes that you can include, your meeting details, and your presenter view. For most of us, we start off with gallery. That is our default. So gallery is where you have the multiple pictures or the initials, if they don't have their video on, of each person in the meeting. If you have a lot of people in your meeting, you can go to large gallery. If you have a lot of people using a virtual background, you can also do the together mode. This example, Selma is going to join using a virtual background. Hi, Selma. And
Hi.
I'm going to turn on my together mode. We both have a virtual background, and so now you see both Selma and I sitting together in a virtual meeting. Hi, Selma. Thank you, Selma. And easily I can go back up to the three dots and put us back into the gallery mode. Thank you, Selma. Another option to go with is the Apply Background Effects. This is something that you see me doing now. You'll notice that by turning my head, you might see the background kind of change and shift because I do have the background effects turned on. This is also where you can turn on live captions and where you can record or stop recording your meeting. You can also select to turn off incoming video. So if you only want your participants to listen to you and allow you to present, but you do not want their video to be on at the time, or say you have an intruder in your meeting, this is where you can quickly go to turn off any incoming video. The next option is to turn your camera on or off, to mute or unmute yourself, and to share content. When you go to share content, this is where you can share your desktop. I have several desktops open. I have used multiple screens at one time, and so you can see that I have the option to share my different screens. As well, you can open up or share a PowerPoint or another file, or also use Whiteboard or share something else by browsing from your computer. Finally, when you go to leave or end meeting, this is where you go to quickly leave or end the meeting. I hope this quick tutorial has helped you to get acquainted with MS Teams, and as we learn more about using MS Teams in our virtual learning atmosphere, I will continue to share quick tips and tricks for using MS Teams in virtual learning. Have a great day.